I'm so cold. Mom, where are you? I have to keep going. I can't stop now. Is that a cave? Should I go in? What if something's inside? Oh, my flashlight! At least I can see the cave. Please, just one bar of signal. No, I can't reach her. I'm all alone. Where is my mom? The storm. It's finally ending. Mom, I'm here. Is that Mom? Over here, please. Hi. Oh, you're not my mom. It's freezing out there. I barely feel my paws. Look, there's some firewood here. This should be enough to start a fire. We did it! It's getting warmer already. This feels so much better. Do you know where we are right now? Yes, I think my village is nearby. My mom? She's lost. It's dangerous in a storm like that. She could be in real trouble. Let's find her. She must be out there somewhere. Mom! Mom! Please answer! What if she's gone? What if she didn't make it? Don't say that. We'll find her. I promise. Mom? Mom? Wait! There's someone up ahead! Mom! Mom! It's her! She's alive! I've got you now, Mom. You're safe. She's very weak. My house is close. We can save her. We're almost there. Hold on, Mom. Here, drink this. It'll warm you up. I thought I lost you forever.
You saved my life. Thank you, both of you. But can you please do me one more favor? Subscribe to Ronatik.